Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 9th students and the chapter is atoms and molecules. In the last class, we were discussed about molecular mass. So what is meant by molecular mass? So it is the sum of the atomic masses of the all the atoms in a molecule. So this is what molecular mass. Can you tell definition of molecular mass? It is a sum of the molecular mass of the or atomic masses of the all the atoms in a molecule. This is what molecular mass. So in this video I am going to discussing about formula unit mass. What more? Formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. So formula mass and molecular mass similar, right? Similar words. That's why. So in the same way or in the same manner of finding out the molecular mass, formula unit mass also same method. So when you use this formula unit mass, so in molecules we use the molecular mass. So when compounds formed by ions, compound formed by ions, compounds formed by ions, we use a formula unit. We use formula unit. So for example, I am taking a sodium chloride NaCl. So definition for formula unit mass is also same as compared to molecular mass. So definition. So it is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a formula unit of a compound. So this is what definition for formula unit mass. So it is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a formula unit of a compound. This is what formula unit mass. So in the same way, we have to find out the formula unit mass of a compound. So example, I am taking sodium chloride. So sodium chloride chemical symbol or formula is NaCl. Right now, NaCl. For this formula, we have to find out the formula unit mass. So how can you find out the formula unit mass? So sodium atomic number how many ma? Sodium atomic number is 23. So atomic number 11. Atomic mass is 23. So how many Na is present? Only 1 A. So that's why 1 into 23. So only 1 A. That's why number of atoms I am taking 1. And atomic mass of sodium is 23. Okay. Plus next ion which chlorine atom is present. How many chlorines are present? Only one chlorine is present. So 1 into. So atomic mass of this chlorine. How much ma? 35.5. 35.5. So add this or sum of these values, you get the formula unit mass of this NaCl. So 1 into 23, 23. 1 into 35.5, 35.5. Totally how much ma? 58.5. ಎಷ್ಟು 58.5. This is U. This is U symbol for unified mass. I am taking one more example for this. Find out the formula unit mass of this formula unit mass of that is example is calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. So this is also a ionic compound. Okay, this is also a ionic compounds. Only ions are composed. Compounds are formed by ions. Then only we have to find out the formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. So atomic mass of calcium how much ma? So atomic number is 20. So at 20 means atomic mass is 40. Which ma 40. So how many calciums are present? Only one. So 1 into 40 plus how many chlorines ma? 2 chlorines are present. 2 into, so atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So 1 into 40, 40 plus 2 into 35.5, 71. 71. So 71 plus this 40. How much more? 71 plus 40. 1,111. 1,111 U. 111. 111. Okay. So this is what formula unit mass of calcium chloride, and this is formula unit mass of this sodium chloride. So in textbook page number 40 we have some questions. So exercise questions. So in that they gave some simple questions. So calculate the molecular masses of hydrogen, next oxygen, chlorine, oxygen O2, chlorine Cl2, and carbonate ion CO3, and methane CH4, C2H6, next C2H4, ammonia, NH3, CH3OH. Okay, these are the some compounds. For these compounds we have to find out the molecular masses. So how can you find out the molecular masses? So by using atomic masses. So atomic mass of hydrogen is how much more? 1. Right now. So how many hydrogen atoms are present? 2 hydrogen atoms present. So 2 into 1, that is 2. So molecular mass of H2 hydrogen is 2. Okay. Next molecular mass of oxygen. I am taking oxygen. Okay. For this oxygen. So how many oxygen atoms are present? 2 oxygens are present. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So molecular mass of oxygen O2 is 32 U, small u. Okay. So don't confuse as 324. This is U, unified mass. Okay. So next is Cl2, chlorine. So how many chlorine atoms are present? 2 chlorine atoms are present. So atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So total value 71 U. Okay, this is the molecular mass of chlorine. Next carbonate, CO3 carbonate. So carbon, how many carbon? Only 1 carbon. So atomic mass of carbon is 12. So next how many oxygen atoms? 3 oxygen atoms. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So totally 12 plus 3 16. 16 3s are 48. So totally 48 plus 12. So 8 to 1 0 here 5 60 U. Okay, 60 U is the molecular mass of CO3. Next is CH4. Carbon only 1, that's why I am taking direct. Atomic mass, that is 12, and 4 hydrogens, 4 into 1 4. So totally atomic mass of this methane, that is CH4, is 16. Okay. Next C2H6. So how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. 2 into 12, that is 24. Next 6 hydrogen atoms. 6 into 1, that is 6. 24 6, that is 30 U. So that is the molecular mass of C2H6. Okay. Next is C2H4. For this C2H4, here 2 into 12, that is 24. Next 4 into 1, that is 4, that is 28. So 28 U. So next ammonia. For this ammonia, nitrogen atomic number is 7. Atomic mass is 14. 14 plus 3 hydrogens. 14 plus 3, 17 U. 17 U is the molecular mass of ammonia, NH3. NH3 ammonia. Next is methanol or methyl alcohol, CH3OH. How many carbon atoms are present? Only one. That's why atomic mass is 12. Hydrogens, how many hydrogens? Here 3 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen, 4 hydrogens. So 4 hydrogens, 4 atomic mass. Plus 1 oxygen is there. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 16. So 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 12, 32. 32 U is the atomic mass of this methanol. So this is the first question. Calculate the molecular mass of these compounds. Next is calculate the formula unit mass. This is the molecular mass. Right now, molecular masses. Next is formula unit mass. So where you use formula unit mass? Ionic compounds. At the time of ionic compounds, we use the formula unit masses. So in textbook, they given atomic masses of particular elements and also compounds. The first compound, that is zinc oxide, Zn, zinc oxide. Next is Na2O, sodium oxide, Na2O, and one more is K2CO3, calcium carbonate, K2CO3. So let me check one by one. Okay. So they already given the atomic masses of some compounds. That is zinc atomic mass is 65 U. 65 atomic mass of zinc is 65 U, and atomic mass of sodium 23 U. 23 U, and so after sodium they gave potassium atomic mass, that is potassium atomic mass is 39 U. Next is carbon we know that 12, carbon 12, oxygen 16. So these are the atomic masses of these elements. We have compounds. So ZnO, first I am taking ZnO. For Zn, 65 is there, atomic mass is 65, and oxygen 16. So 65 plus 16, so calculate how much? 16 plus 65. 6 plus 5, 11 plus here 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 81. 81 U is the formula unit of zinc oxide. Okay. Next compound Na2O. So Na2O, 2 sodium atoms. That is atomic mass of sodium is 23. So 23 into 2 is 46. Next oxygen 16. So 46 plus 16. 12 plus here 1, 5 plus 62. 62 U. Okay. So next is K2CO3. K2CO3. For K2, how many potassiums? 2 potassium atoms are present. Atomic mass 39 plus carbon 12, only one. That's why I am taking 1. 3 into 3 oxygen atoms. I am taking 3. That's why next atomic mass of 16 is 16. So this is 48 plus 12. So this is 39. 8, 78. Here 78. So 78 plus 12 plus 48. 48. 138. 138 U. 138 you written small u. Okay, 138 U. So this is the formula unit of all these compounds, ZnO, Na2O, and K2CO3. This is what today's class. In the next class, I will discuss a very important chapter, very important concept, that is mole concept. Mole. So this is very important. Next class is very important. Okay. Okay. Thank you.